Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on the channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification. So you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So the new data updated you today is that Kaizer Chiefs set to exit veteran defender former Academy star. Kaizer Chiefs are set to preparing to part ways with one of their own. Hauling from the men's downline Gauteng Zitad Kunia grew up minutes earning from Amakos in FNB Stadium, where he first broke into the scene, rising through the ranks at Kaizer Chiefs. He made his first team debut in 2014 before being shipped to Chippa United on the season-long loan a year later. The Gqeberha Outs had no intentions of letting Zitakwenika go, signing him the following season, where he, aside from Stand and Thanda Royal Zulu, would spend the next 3 years of his career before securing a permanent move to Bidvest West in 2019. A year later, he was on the move again. This time, it was Stellenbosch who put pen to paper. After 5-year appearance, he returned to where it all began, Kaizer Chiefs. However, 2 years and 37 appearances later, his time is running out yet again in Soweto. Zitakwenika is a good professional, but this season it is not worked out for him. He did very well in the past 2 seasons at Kaizer Chiefs and was an important member of his team. However, Coach Napi has not used him. It's clear that he's not in the coach's plan, and he might be offloaded as early as January. So far, I'm not sure if there has been any offer for him from other PSL clubs. But what is clear is that Coach Napi prefers other players to him. So if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.